In today's video, I am going to teach you how to integrate Mailchimp with Framer WordPress integration. To begin, open the Framer project where you want to add your Mailchimp sign-up form. This should be the project connected to the site or page where visitors will be able to subscribe to your mailing list. Once the project loads, take a moment to make sure you are on the correct page in your Framer canvas. If your site has multiple pages or sections, navigate to the exact area where the form should appear. This helps you place the sign-up component in the right location from the start, so you do not have to move it around later. Next, go to the top toolbar and click the Insert icon. This is the plus icon, and it is where you can add new elements, components, and integrations to your Framer project. After clicking it, a menu or panel will open with a search option. This is where Framer lets you quickly find the element you want instead of browsing through every available item manually. In the search field, type Mailchimp. As you search, look for the Mailchimp component in the available results. Once you see it, drag the component onto your canvas. Place it in the section where you want the sign-up form to appear. For example, you might place it in a footer, a newsletter section, or a landing page area where users are encouraged to subscribe. Try to position it somewhere that feels natural in your design, because this form will be the point where visitors enter their information and join your Mailchimp audience. After the Mailchimp component is on the canvas, click it to select it. When it is selected, open the Properties panel. This panel is where you can configure the component and connect it to your Mailchimp account. You should see settings related to the form, including a field where you can add the Mailchimp form action URL. This URL is what allows the form on your Framer site to send sign-up information to the correct Mailchimp audience. Now go to your Mailchimp account and locate your form action URL. In Mailchimp, this can be found under Audience, then Sign-up Forms, then Embedded Forms. From the Embedded Form settings, copy the form action URL. Be careful to copy only the correct URL and avoid sharing or displaying any private account details. Once you have copied it, return to Framer and paste the URL into the appropriate field in the Properties panel for the Mailchimp component. At this point, the main connection between Framer and Mailchimp is in place. The next thing to do is adjust the styling of the component so it matches the rest of your website. In the Properties panel, review the available style settings. You can adjust the appearance of the form so it fits your design, such as the spacing, layout, colors, text appearance, and button style depending on the options available in your component. The goal is to make the sign-up form look like it belongs naturally on the page, rather than feeling like a separate embedded element. Take a moment to look at the form on the canvas after making your styling adjustments. Make sure it is easy to see, easy to read, and placed clearly within the section. A clean and simple sign-up area usually works best, because visitors should immediately understand that they can enter their information and subscribe. Keep the design consistent with the rest of your Framer site so the final result feels polished. Once everything is connected and styled the way you want, the final step is to publish your site. Use Framer's Publish option to push your updated project live. After publishing, your Mailchimp sign-up form will be available on your live site, and new subscribers can be sent to your Mailchimp audience through the form action URL you added. And that is all there is to it. You have added the Mailchimp component to your Framer project, connected it with your Mailchimp form action URL, styled it to match your site, and published the finished page.